Hey there, history enthusiasts. Welcome to Shadow Shooter. Did you ever think that the sounds of clashing armor and echoes of ancient battles could still be alive today? Well, guess what? They're not just stories. They're hidden treasures waiting to be discovered right in the heart of Royal Armouries. Ready for the ultimate journey through time? Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button, hit notifications, and let's dive into the royal history of armories. In the world of Royal Armouries, armor isn't just steel, it's a living history, each piece telling tales that echo through time. First up, we dive into the living history locked within every battle scar. Imagine these armors as ancient storytellers, bearing witness to the clashes of mighty swords and arrows. They're not just dented metal, they're the silent witnesses to the heroics of legendary knights. And speaking of legends, let's talk about those knights. Royal Armouries hold narratives that would make even the boldest bards jealous. These aren't just suits of armor, they're the armor of Sir Lancelot, Joan of Arc, and countless other heroes. Now, let's shift gears to armories in battle. These weren't bystanders, they were the unsung heroes of historical clashes. From the thunderous charge of knights to the strategic brilliance of generals, Royal Armouries played a crucial role in shaping the outcomes of wars. First on our list is prestige and ceremony. Royal Armouries weren't just showcases of steel. They became the bling of kingdoms, symbolizing prestige and power. Imagine walking into a grand hall where not only the king but the armor itself stole the show. These armories weren't just functional, they were the crown jewels of royal ceremonies, shining bright in the spotlight of rituals. Get ready to explore the top 10 Royal Armouries, each with its own epic story. From ancient battles to legendary knights, these armories hold the keys to history. Let's dive into the tales they guard and uncover the excitement together. Number 1. Great helm used as funerary achievement, English, 14th century. Step into the medieval mystique with our spotlight on a 14th century English treasure, the Great Helm. But here's the twist, it's not just any helm, it's a funerary superstar. Picture this majestic piece standing tall, a silent guardian of history. Worn by knights of old, this helm is not just armor, it's a badge of honor and a timeless relic. Number 2. Tympanum sculpture from the Grand Storehouse at the Tower of London, carved by John Young, 1691. Travel back to 1691 at the Tower of London. Meet John Young, a master carver. He breathed life into a special sculpture on the Grand Storehouse. Imagine stone telling tales. Let's explore the secrets etched by John Young. Join me in this time travel adventure, the Tower's Grand Storehouse. Number 3. Great Bronze Gun, or Dardanelles Gun, of Sultan Mehmed II, Turkish, 1464. Imagine a colossal weapon from 1464 in Turkey, the Great Bronze Gun, also known as the Dardanelles Gun, of Sultan Mehmed II. It's a massive bronze cannon, a symbol of power and history, associated with the mighty Sultan Mehmed II of the Ottoman Empire. Number 4. Lion armor, possibly of King Henry II of France, Italian, 1550. Visualize a regal piece of history, the lion armor, believed to have belonged to King Henry II of France, around 1550. This Italian-crafted masterpiece is more than just armor. It's a majestic ensemble that possibly adorned the noble king, reflecting both strength and elegance in its design and craftsmanship. Number 5. Foot combat armor of Christian I, Elector of Saxony, German, 1591. Travel back to 1591 in Germany and imagine the foot combat armor of Christian I, Elector of Saxony. It's like a superhero suit, but for real. This armor kept Christian I safe in battles. Now, it's a cool piece of history, telling stories of knights and adventures from long ago. If you want to continue this fascinating journey, don't forget to watch the next part of the video. A huge thanks for being part of Shadow Shooter.